Hey guys, so just got a shower, so pretty much an update for today. I am on complete bed rest. I've been bleeding, and it's actually stopped it stopped last night, but with this severe anemia, I'm having trouble walking. So I called Daystar, which is like a place that helps, families if they had a cane or crutches to help, and they do, but it's the biggest thing how to get there. So I'm having difficulty getting around and walking. It's just been hard because I'm like, my body's so weak, my hemoglobin's so low. It's a chore to even get a shower, cook, stand up, anything. It's a chore to watch my kids in the evenings and on the weekends. I have to rest as much as possible. It's been hard. It's been very hard. I never would expect a twin pregnancy would be this hard. And I turned 14 weeks today. They said babies are growing, which is good. So I had to do a follow-up with my doctor, which will be July 31st at like 9 in the morning. And I think they're going to be doing another ultrasound to make sure everything's okay. I kind of I feel worse when I had Madison, when I had like a bleed in the womb. But they said they didn't find anything like that. But I do, but I feel like that same weakness and no appetite and that type stuff was when I had Madison. But just pray for me, guys. That's like the biggest thing. I can't really update you anymore because I don't know really. I just take everything day by day, and that's all I can do. And as you can tell, I'm wearing the same dress because, well, not much fits. I wasn't a size 22 bottom. I can wear a 22, but where the button is, I have to put like a rubber band just to close my pants. I am starting to show. I will take pictures or video of that later, as like I said, I just got a shower, so that kind of takes everything out of me. Well, you guys have a blessed day.